Today what I am going to tell you may shock anyone because whenever people hears the term Royal Enfield, they get skeptical.
Today I am going to change my rear suspension for free.
They think of unreliable customer service, unreliable machines and unsatisfied customers.
Yes, you heard that right. I am going to change my rear shock absorber for absolutely free.
The rubber part at one side eye bolt got corroded. It is a very minor problem, but this made a free movement between the bolt that was holding the suspension and the suspension. So this could lead to a major disaster.
The company does not sell that part as a separate part, so we have to change the whole suspension.
My bike was under warranty. It should be changed under warranty. The showroom readily accepted the warranty proposal and prepared the office work. Within 1 week or maybe 10 days, my suspension was replaced for free without any hassle to me. I don't know about the experiences of many other persons who are very unsatisfied with the company, but I would say my experience with the company was excellent.